can we focus on the goal? And the goal here was to have an interim review of these charges downwards, as we require, because everybody knows, I believe, including the CS, including His Excellency the President, that the success of universal health care shall rely first on the doctors, second on the pharmaceutical industry, third and most important on the insurance companies, and all relevant service providers in the health sector. We cannot run away from that fact that until and when we get there and change our mindset, because our mindset is not tuned towards getting a solution yet. If our goal is one, to lower the whole package so that we can enlarge the bracket, it may not be possible for the government in the next 4 years to achieve what it wants to achieve, but it will have moved a long way in alleviating and in allowing most Kenyans to reach the doctors.
And so we are asking government to come to us and explain what the problem really is, and we provide a solution for them. The private practitioners' fees will be reviewed regularly, as they should be, but they will not be reviewed to mislead people that now that it has been reduced, universal health coverage will be attainable. It has nothing to do with it. The reduction, if indeed it happens, will be a product of the professionals themselves, looking at the factors contributing to those costs and determining what is reasonable. Above all, we at KMA think the conversation we should be having about cost of healthcare is the total cost of healthcare. The total cost of healthcare is contributed to, other than the practitioners' fees, by taxes on drugs, taxes on commodities, the profit margins, and so on.